So you have to figure it out yourself. Nobody's going to help you. It's just you and the world now. Quote from this morning's guest in our diaspora check-in, young Jamaican Alex Ashley, who is currently in Pennsylvania at Lafayette University, majoring in chemical and biomechanical engineering. Well, there you go. He's here to talk about his journey and much more. Welcome, Bridget. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Can't complain at all, and thanks for asking. Alex, I'm going to read something before I ask you anything.
Yeah.
He enjoys walking up to people he does not know to just start talking, although he will apologize if he sees that he's interrupting. He doesn't go to class just to learn. He also goes to strike up a conversation with the student next to him about how their day is going. And then he goes to his professor just to have a chat. So it looks like he does chat plenty, Alex. Are you?
That's true. Me love chat, man. Me love talk, and me love meet people. One thing we did learn, Neville, is school is a formality, you know. School is really just a place where you meet people, make connections. Because really, how you make it in the world is who you know and not really what you know.
Well,
So me use school, you know, to expand my network, to meet as many people as me know, make as many people member me. So, you know, if anything, we can just count on them.
yeah, man. All right, let's start at the top. Tell me a little bit about Alex.
All right, Alex. Alex is a very authentic, charismatic person. Alex are just vibes, all right? Alex lights up the room wherever I go. Everybody just love him energy.
Yeah.
Alex no really think say I'm good in a school. In fact, Alex don't really even like school. Believe it or not, Alex don't like school. Um, Alex love dance. Alex love listen to music. Alex love cook, but him not really love eat. Kind of weird, but yeah, Alex weird.
Yeah. Alex, for a
Alex
man,
is just,
for a man who
what is
don't,
it?
for a man who don't like school, chemical and biomechanical engineering major, that sound like you love
Yeah.
school.
No, no. What me love, I love learning. If we could do school without the grades parts, yeah, we could do that. But
And you have a
whenever
mi- and you have a minor in math, right? Oh,
yeah.
Alex, stop that, man. You're a bright youth, man. You're being humble. You must be a bright youth. I can't even pronounce biomechanical too tough. But how you ended up at Lafayette? Because I know you went to Germany also, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go Germany too.
Yeah. So again, tell me this journey now. Where you started, when you left Jamaica, where you went, why did you leave, and what you wanted to do, and if you are doing now what you want to do.
All right. So I'm doing a sixth form, a champion, big up champion, ready strong, bop, bop, bop. I did apply for school overseas, and me only did get in a one school and Lafayette did accept me. So I never really have a choice. I kind of did just say, well, I guess I'm gonna come, because then give me full aid. So I never have paid on, parents never have paid on. So I come to Lafayette and say, yo, because we get this opportunity, we have to maximize on it and use up all of the resources that I have here, all of the opportunities that I have here. Find out one of them opportunities, I study abroad, and say, all right, cool, bet. I'm gonna do that. So I'm study abroad in Africa, I'm study abroad in Germany. Meet as many people as I say, and talk to see if anybody can help me with any one of the dreams I want to achieve. So me I say.
Yep.
So basically that me do. I was just very determined to maximize on my time here. I'm 4 years in a college, and that kind of just made me meet as many people as possible and have as many experiences.
Yeah.
Also made me be very impactful for the community I'm living in.
Fantastic.
So, yeah.
Fantastic. Guys, I'm reading that you're the winner of the 2022 Pepper Prize. What is that?
Basically, it's an election. You see what I say? So everybody at the school, including the professor them and the faculty, them vote for somebody where them think represent the Lafayette ideal. I go to Lafayette College.
Yep.
So vote for somebody where they think represent the ideal college student, basically. And I was one of the 10 finalists that were selected, and then everybody votes, and most of the people then vote for me because them thinks that me represent the Lafayette ideal. Honestly, I think that come down to the fact that I was hell-bent on like meeting people, talking to people, making sure I build a rapport with as many people on campus as I can.
Right.
So everybody know name, everybody know Alex Ashley.
Right.
So when them see me on the list, of course I'm gonna vote for me.
I love,
Yeah.
I love it. What does a chemical and biomechanical engineer do?
All right, what them do is, I don't tell you no, me not like school here. What them people here do? Them people here basically run process plant or factories. So when you think about like the process to make like drugs, the pharmaceuticals,
Right.
your Advil, your
Right.
Cetamol,
Right.
them come from some big process plant. And chemical engineers, what them do is them run the whole thing. So them
Okay.
control all of the different units to make the end product
Yeah.
and ensure that everything is maintained and working optimally.
Yeah, because of what you've said thus far in a serious way, it wouldn't surprise me if next year I talk to you and you say you're an airline pilot. Because it seems like you want to do as many things as you can, which is good. But are you settled on what you want to do now? Or you still think maybe no?
Yeah. I was always settled on what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
Me always know some more on the research. Me not love school, but me love the research.
Okay.
So that's one thing one that I love solar energy and photovoltaics. Renewable energy, that's what I mean.
Solar energy and solar energy and what?
Solar energy and photovoltaics.
What is the
Essentially, I want fancy name for like technology we can turn sunlight into electricity.
Make anybody just tell me that and done the argument, so I don't feel like I'm stupid.
All right, I'm sorry, man. Jesus.
Joke me, I make man. And how long will that take you? And the research, where does that come from? Where does it? Because if you don't like school, which I don't believe you, by the way, but if you don't like school, where would the research part come from? Why do you want to do research? Because that takes a lot of work.
Research wasn't really based on the whole school and the courses thing. It was more like a opportunity that I had at Lafayette to do research here.
Yeah.
And say, you know, I'm just try it out because I never tried this before.
Yeah.
So I'm try it. I'm going to the lab. I'm start conduct experiments, and I enjoy the research process.
Oh,
finding
fantastic!
out things, being the only one in the whole world to know something that just excites me. So I'm just fell in love with research, which is separate from the chemical engineering.
Right.
What me want to do is me want to do research in the solar energy field. So that I'm gonna do in a grad school and get one PhD.
To find out what though? To find out what? When you say in the solar energy field, what you're trying to find out?
I try to increase this overall efficiency of solar cells so that more people will want to buy it.
Okay.
Because right now, enough people are use solar cells, but they're not that efficient. You know, them probably 20 to 40% efficient. But if we can push that to like 50 and 60, then we think we can further help with mitigating effects of climate change.
Okay. You done with us? Or are you going to come home after school? Or are you going to work up there? What you going to do?
I definitely have to come home. I'm not come home in a while. After I get the PhD and thing, definitely have to come home and start try see if we can improve the sort of electricity unequal distribution in Jamaica.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to do that by making electricity cheaper with solar energy.
Yeah. Let me be the first to say, Dr. Ashley, is there anyone you want to say hi to in Jamaica before you go, sir?
Oh yeah. You know, I'd like to thank my mom, Ashley, my dad. Ashley, big up Ariel, grandma, grandfather, grandpa, big up yourself, Papa. Big up Campion family, big up Trinity, big up AIM, big up Linstead Holiness Christian Church, big up Portmore, big up Linstead, big up Treadways. Nobody don't know where Treadways is there. Yeah. But Treadway, we little, but we Talawa. Yeah. You know what I say?
Who is Ariel?
Ariel's my sister.
Okay,
Ariel is my girl.
I just want to make sure. Regin, this is one of the best interviews I've done. I'm very impressed with you. I'm impressed with your demeanor, just the way you behave. I like that. And I like your humility also, because you're obviously a very, very intelligent young man. And I pray that whatever you want in life, you will get it. It won't surprise me if you do, because you seem to be that kind of person. Stay safe. Look after yourself. God bless you. Great to meet you. Take care. Alex Ashley, chemical and biomechanical engineering major with a minor in math. And he's in Pennsylvania at Lafayette College. Great story. Hope you all got inspired by it. I certainly did. All right, what's coming up now? Serving up smiles across the world with a pretty sweet dental